Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mukesh English, and this is Mukesh Soni. And in this video I have brought here a very important topic, very interesting topic, that how to write a proper tweet. Before that, let's know some brief information about Twitter. And today the Twitter is rebranded as X, which was envisioned by Elon Musk, who acquired Twitter in 2022 for $44 billion as the one app called Everything app on July 23. And this Twitter has replaced the iconic blue bird. The iconic blue bird you can see on the screen, and this iconic blue bird is replaced with the stylized, we can say, stylistic X symbol, X logo. And even the Twitter name is also removed from its website, from its application for the app, as well as the headquarter. And even the x.com is going to redirect you to the twitter.com. So this is the brief information, the change which has come as far as the Twitter is concerned. Now, writing on tweet is an art, I would say, and it requires only some basic information. So let's try to understand. So you can see here on the left side, you can see this is the, when you open your Twitter account, you will get all the symbols. And when you click on this symbol, you will get this box here, the text box. So here you can type what you want to post, and then you can select tweet, and right. And keep in the mind that whatever you type here, you have word limit, sorry, you have characters limit, that is 280 characters. You can't go beyond the 280 characters, right? Then you click on the box, or as well as you can also post the pictures, GIF, and the other important symbols. Now, when you're tweeting, when you're doing a tweet, what how your tweet can be very much perfect. Very important thing is here, there are few guidelines which I have borrowed the information from Google. Then here, write the most important words at the start of the tweet to catch a follower's eye. It's quite very much common when you're writing on any of the social media platform. We have to write some catchy words, some catchy jargons, where you can catch the followers, the viewers attention. Secondly, the most important thing, don't make it complicate, make it more simple and very concise. Secondly, the content which you are offering here, which should be very much valuable and useful. Remember, Twitter people, most of the people who are on the Twitter, they are for the sake of information. So people would like to seek information on Twitter or on X handle. So your content should be more valuable and useful for the readers, for the viewers. Then use the strong verbs, but try to skip the tough adjectives or the adverbs which are not reachable to the common people. Secondly, be focused to your topic, and as well as it's obviously mentioned here, be short, precise, because you have only 280 characters. You have to say a lot of things in the you need to express so a lot of things in the very minimum words, right? So I have brought what I have tried here, after opening my X handle, my X account, and my Twitter account, I got some important tweets. So I have tried to capture it. And these examples are just these are only an example for the information purpose, and which have no other purpose to brand or to defame somebody. Though my channel is only an educational channel that's going to help the students to get more information. So coming back to the topic here, these are the declaration. So if you look at this post here, this post is posted by Rockstar Games, right? The particular post. And if you look at the content, very catchy and very informative content here. Many of you have been asking about a new entry in the Grand Theft Auto series. With every new project, our goal is always so significantly more beyond what we have previously delivered. We are pleased to confirm that active development for the next entry in the series is underway. So it's something like an announcement by the company. It's something like a promotion by a company. It's something like an information. So most of the tweets are very informative, which are very much focused. There's not much elaboration. You can see here, it's not like an essay writing. It's not like a paragraph writing. It's only the information which uh, you want to convey in a very minimum words. That's only you have 280 characters. Let's see one more example. Uh, 1 minute. Yeah, let's see one more example here by Pace India, and just somebody's branding one particular product here with the help of this cartoon. And see the example, see the content here. On a sweltering summer afternoon, the sun with a fiery face bellowed, "Why risk your health to vote in this heat?" The man smiled. He raised his hand and, showing the ink mark on his finger, he said, "Pat is here, so we are fit," he declared, taking another refreshing sip. So it's something like an advertisement of maybe a cold drink or a kind of energy drink, right? So it's again an advertisement that in spite of summer, in spite of 51-degree temperature in many of the locations of India, you must vote. So it's a kind of an awareness by the company, right? Let's go to another tweet here by our Honorable Prime Minister, who had tweeted maybe before 2 years. And you can go through the content here, very professional content. "A remarkable feat which will make the entire nation proud. The successful launch of Agniban rocket powered by world's first single piece 3D printed semi uh, cryogenic engine is a momentous occasion for India's space sector and a testament to the remarkable ingenuity of our Yuva Shakti. My best wishes to the Agni Cool Cosmos team for their future endeavors." I'm not given the picture here. So these are the content for information purpose, and you just have a look here. Very simple words have been utilized, have been employed here to make the message more reachable to the very common people. And let's see another example by one of the famous newspapers Twitter account. And so sometimes we get the tweet even about the news. So we can see that nowadays we find a lot of we get the news about cyclone or flood. So one of the tweets about the cyclone, which is already happened in West Bengal. So you can see here, "Incessant rainfall since Sunday amid cyclone Remal has caused massive flooding across the northeastern state, with the water levels in most rivers passing through Imphal city increasing rapidly." So report Thomas Gangam, Manipur hashtag. So like this, you can find the tweets even by the newspapers as well. Then we find another tweet by Elon Musk himself. He also tweets about a lot of developments which he does in his own company. So if I read here, today marks the fourth anniversary of Falcon 9 launching NASA's demo 2 mission to the space station, returning human space flight to the United States. So like this, we find these are the tweets. And the most important tweet, I'm sorry, the most important tweet which I liked it more, which is my favorite tweet here. This tweet also gives an information that we can also write the tweet which encourages people, which talks about the well-being of the people. So by Alice House, it's written here, "When we are in a state of vibrant health and well-being, we feel present and empowered, able to meet the challenges of the day without depletion of our energy. We know we are living in a way that optimizes our ability to support continual healing. It's reflected in our robust immunity, energy, enthusiasm for life. We are truly living from the state of true vitality and joy. We're in love with life and resilient to circumstances and what others might regard to be setbacks. And even if this is not how you feel at the moment, this is your destiny. And who you are meant to be. Interesting, excellent, excellent note by Alice or Alice. So friends, this is how in the examination you need to write the tweet if the question appears, and as well as I would suggest you that you should have your own Twitter account, you should have your own account on the X handle or the Twitter handle. So do it. You will get a lot of information and you'll be more expressive if you go through a lot of news about it. Obviously, you need to be very much selective. It's an open platform. You will get the best as well as the worst news as well. So you need to be very selective. So as far as the examination is concerned, I would say write simple, precisely, catchy information so that people do read your information. So this is the attempt I have done to inform you. I mean to say to tell you that this is how you can write a perfect tweet. So thank you so much for watching this video. Wish you good luck and stay in tune with Mukesh English.